Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Read Land over here. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's video, I would like to be teaching you on how to deposit your Kwakolmarket trading account. So let's go on this video. So you can see my interface, my Kwakolmarket interface right here. So just you can see font over here. Just click font. So you see a lot of distinct listing showing, which is deposit, transfer between your account, withdraw, transfer to other users. So just click deposit. You understand? So you see right here, it shows deposit, which is in US dollars. So it's so they ask us to select type, how you maybe you want to use fiat, which is normal naira, or you want to use stable coin or coins. You know, when we are talking about stable coins like USDT or TRZN, or when we are talking about BNB, all those coins, you understand? So when you are talking about coins like Bitcoins, Ethereum, so but for the fiat, I don't normally use coin to deposit my account. So you know, I'm in Nigeria, so I prefer using fiat. I will choose the fiat, which is I'm going to select instant. When you are in Nigeria, so instant Nigerian deposit, so you click instant Nigerian deposit and you will just assuming you want to deposit your account like 15,000 naira, so you will type 15,000 naira right here, which is in dollars is 20.9.3 US dollar right here. So just click proceed. So proceed. They are setting up my payment, which I've already clicked the fiat, which maybe if I have my debit card right here with me, my Nigerian debit card, or pay with bank, so I normally choose pay with bank transfer because it's one of the fast payment method I normally use for my own account. So I will just choose pay with bank transfer. You know, it actually show me one time account number, so the account will be expired in the next 15 minutes, which these accounts don't just keep the account. Maybe you are going to send the money later, the account won't be active anymore after an hour, after 59 minutes. So immediately it shows you the account. So copy the account and go straight to your bank account and make the payment. And don't forget that make a single instant transfer from your bank to this account before it expires. So you understand, you must make the exactly 15,000 naira payment. Don't just make, if you make the payment of 15,500 naira, you won't get paid to your account. So you must be careful. The exact amount that is showing right here, which is 15,000 naira, you picked. So just copy the account number right here and pick Stanley, and it will show the Kurapi, and just send the payment. So come back again, and they will approve it in just 2 to 3 minutes. So that is it about how to fund your account with your Naira bank account. So if you want to fund it also with your coin, it is list over there. You can go there and pick coin, so you can fund account with your coin, so with your any crypto coin. So that's just it about how to deposit your account. Thank you for watching my video. You don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.